The Techmarine Covenant. Techmarines are specialist members of the Legion, whose intelligence and aptitude mark them from an early stage for induction into the rites and secrets of the Mechanicum, and so hold dual allegiances both to their legion and to the machine cult of Mars. Their role is to maintain and oversee the manufacture and supply of war gear and vehicles for their legion, as well as operate and repair the most specialised and complex weaponry on the battlefield. In this, a legion's armorum and its Techmarine masters are vital to its ability to wage war.